Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you what a automated link building posting plugin will do. This is mostly to create additional blog posts and content for your website on an auto post schedule, and that will interlink, or excuse me, it will naturally interlink with different subject types already on your site, help you point to the main topic, boost up authority within your web pages, and also by having ongoing blog posts happening regularly to your web page, you can pick up backlinks naturally online that way too. So this is just a real basic theme. I put honestly this whole site together in probably 15 minutes at the max, and we just want to show you as an example here. This is a nice web domain, machinelearningpages.com. It was purchased as an expired domain, and we are going to run some additional backlinks off of this and probably start offering those soon and on a slow basis. We don't bury any of our sites or platforms. So on this here, we've got automated articles happening. I haven't looked at it for days, so this is coming in very natural here. And we'll just go into this one here, CNN versus RNN. That was done on the 14th. Let's see if we've got that, which was yesterday. See if we've got anything on here for today yet. And we do. This one's been posted today. And these are all continuously coming in. Let's see what else we have. 14th. So you can see how these have generated consistent 13th post, at least a couple every day. So that's the idea here. We just continuously post these on here. And as you go into the back end here, we're going to show you exactly what we have going on here, okay? Super simple. Anybody can run this. A business owner, SEO guy, agency owner, I don't care who you are, you're able to run an auto posting plugin like this. So get rid of any auto blogging tools that you're overpaying for, that you're running up ridiculous charges on monthly. We're looking to establish this for a very cheap monthly deal or a one-time lifetime deal, guys. I think I might throw yearly in there. To be straightforward with you, I've not come up with that yet because I just want to show people this. Okay, so auto poster, you go into the auto poster itself. You're going to have different providers here. We're having right now Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, and Grok. And these actually can be run fairly cheap. Gemini, DeepSeek, very, very cheap on the back end of things, and Grok as well. So that's all you. You are responsible for these keys, okay? So add in your key. Right now, I'm running a free Gemini, okay? So just to let you know, this is not costing me. Gemini 2.5, cheapest, Flash, higher quality. If you want to go higher quality, you can pick your different models in there. And with each key, you got right inside the plugin, you just click on this and it helps you sign up. So if you're a beginner and you're like, what the hell, I don't know nothing about API keys or what to do or where to go. Well, we've helped you here. You simply click on this, it opens up a web page. Boom, anybody can find it. If you have trouble, message me. I'll come right in here and set you up in 5 minutes, okay? All right, so that's all it is. Went ahead and added some additional features here for featured image sources. You can use Pixels, which is a free stock shirt, or an Unsplash, Picabay. You can add your own open AI in here, Stability AI, or just, again, if you utilize these, you're going to run off of ours, and you'll just have a free API keys coming in here for free stuff. Now, your post length, 1,800 words, medium, 1,100, 600. That's all up to you. Frequency, once a day, every 2 hours, every 12 hours. I love to keep it right at once a day. I think that's normal. And if you do once a day, you're going to get a couple posts a day, most likely anyway. So, yeah, so you post run each time. Excuse me, that's why. Forgot I had that there. So you've got different way to every time his schedule fires, how many posts you're going to let go, okay? Publish immediate, let AI write the title from the keyword, or you can use the keyword and title exactly how it's entered. All right, guys? So this is all super simple. Really, this screen mostly is about just adding your API keys to it. All right, so in the keyword pool, here's where we add what we want to have written and posted. So here I've got deep learning, what is propagation, CNN versus RNN, transformer architect, best CPUs for training. Down here, machine learning basic category, and on and on and on. So if you want to add any additional categories, I'm just kind of showing you what we have here. You can add them in right here and select whatever you want right here, and you will have, let me just go and save these guys. I don't know. Careers and learning. And these are all additional topics that I believe my VA may have been coming in here and adding and just didn't set the category there. So yeah, you just need to save these and save this pool, and your AI will just continuously fire off posts in regards to what you have listed in here, okay? Super simple to run, guys. Anybody can really get this going. You can see it's been saved down here. All right, so I don't really have much more to show you on this. That's how easy it is. So you set your APIs, you put your categories in, your keyword topic in, you're going to fire off posts regularly. Oh, inside the auto poster, if you wanted to say, hey, well, how do I know it's working? You can come down here, select a category. Let's just do one, okay? I'll do one for you now. App development, advanced iPhone app development in 2026 using, let's just say using Chat GPT. I don't know. All right, so I'm going to actually generate that article right here in front of you. And I haven't really done one of these in a while, so I'm not too crazy. Too short response. I'm not sure why it would have done a short response. Probably need to look at, honestly, how we're producing. What did it? Wait a minute. Let's see if it did it. I'm not sure what happened there. I think let me see. Well, I'm just going to open up one of the articles that just came out today. I want to see how long it is. So yeah, I'm not sure what happened there. It's weird. For some reason, it just said that the article was too short. So I just need to look at what that was about. Not a big deal. I assure you, you can generate articles on the fly as well. Let's go back into the tool so you can see a log. And you can see it needs at least 990. So for some reason, the AI didn't produce a full amount. And I'll go ahead and make that. We're doing that for, again, for SEO purpose. Experience in high demand, spikes in demand usually are temporary. All right, it looks like we're just firing. The model is getting a lot of high. As you can see here, that's really all this is. The model is currently experiencing high demands. Might have burned up my usage on those. So that's something to look at. And your rotating AIs can rotate here. So just pop a different AI in if you want to keep everything going 100%. You just continuously pop these in and you'll have more. So let's just go in here and save Grok and see what we can do. I'm going to do the Grok free tier and see if we can fire off one for you here. I'm just curious. And again, beta testing with you guys right here. Building mobile apps with AI is good enough for me. And if we get a good result here, mission accomplished. If not, I failed on this video miserably at the end. LOL. You should get a good copy here. I think I was just burning up my Gemini credits. I actually put that key in a few different places, not just this one tool. So definitely not anything that you'll run into trouble-wise as far as going. Yeah, see, we got a post now, guys. All right, so you can click at it, go right into the post and look at it. So it was the Gemini API that was just burned out. So we burned out our credits on that. So here's your post. As you can see, nice, huh? And everything's already ready to go. You've got full URL here. I mean, it don't get much better than having automated content that actually ranks, that actually does well here. In addition, you can come in here and backlink these and interpost these these will interlink into other posts that are relevant. But if you want to pull backlink off of one of these posts into a external site, you can do that as well. All right. Thank you for watching. I want to get some people in on this plugin, thinking about just offering it real cheap monthly, maybe like 20 bucks a month or something like that. And then running a lifetime for 500, and maybe we'll do a yearly at 100 or 200. I'm not quite sure. So if you heard those prices on this video, you can probably say, Jay, you said this, but now you want this. Slap me for being stupid there. So again, I'm just looking to get people on here running. I want feedback. I want people, spreading around that, hey, Jay's got some good shit. Jay's got the stuff, man. So come to me, please. Thank you. I need all the support. I've done a 360 on career right now. I'm really getting involved into building things that help me rank, help other people rank. And there's a lot that can be done here. So obviously, content's great. Automatic posting's great. This is something a lot of people need and probably overpaying for. So again, control this yourself. Plug this plug into every unlimited website builds that you have, and just have some ongoing content. Thank you all for listening. Order today. Going to have a payment link going up for this now. Message me in the meantime. Nothing's live or public for this particular plugin right now, but you're welcome to have it. Just message me. I'll shoot you a price before I confirm my whole pricing and page. Thank you.